Hey kitten, this is a really wonderful date that we've been having. I'm so excited to finally spend some quality time with you. Look, I even put a little pink bow in my hair and did my makeup all pretty for you. I hope you like it. Mwah. Mwah. Mwah, mwah, mwah. You look so beautiful and radiant tonight. The stars are shining and... Is that the Big Dipper? Wow. Wait. What's that bright light? What's that beam shooting down from the sky? Oh no! Ah! These green men have a hold of me! Let go! Let go! No! Don't take me away!